In 1903, the New York Times published an article saying that it would take humanity 1 million to 10 million years to achieve flight. This was in response to an aerodrome by Samuel Langley that had had its first test flight after 5 years and promptly flew into the Potomac River and crashed. Not 1 million, not 10 million years later, but 69 days later, Orville and Wilbur Wright achieved flight. Just 69 days later. That's all it took. And it didn't take mathematicians and experts the way the New York Times predicted. It just took these two brothers experimenting and using whatever knowledge they had gained, working on bicycles and everything else they had done together. The thing with scientific discovery, or discovery of any kind, really, is that you can't predict the pace at which we will progress because breakthroughs exist. In the same way, you can't predict the pace at which you will grow as a human being because breakthroughs exist. So it would be silly to try to cap, measure, or predict where you'll be a year from now. It's simply inane. There's no way to know. You could have that breakthrough 69 days later or a week later. The point being that your potential is uncapped. So if you truly understood this, how differently would you live your life knowing that you could achieve the equivalent of flight in 3 months or 2 weeks? How differently would you live? How differently would you view problems or challenges? What would you do when next faced with the opportunity to grow in some way or discover something new about yourself?